Okay, guys, in this stream, we're going to do something different. So let me go back to my code base. But before that, instead of going today we're going to do something. Just a minute, I'll just open my dashboard and stuff. Okay, so we're going to do something different. So today, I'm going to sit on estimation. So estimating my tasks and and uh, projecting like maybe how long will it take. So right now what happened is we just got a bunch of bugs because this app that I'm currently building, let me restart the server. So the app that I'm currently building, we just gave it out for testing and we got a bunch of issues. So before you dive in, so of course in my last stream I did fix a couple of issues, like maybe one issue. But the good thing to do is before diving into, if you have a lot of stuff, it's very important that you note it down somewhere, note down all the bugs or tasks that you have to do, and then you have an estimate on maybe how much time will it take. So based on this, you can prioritize your bugs better. So when you do this, you get a bird's eye view perspective on what's all wrong with your app that you're building, and you can also get better perspective on which needs more priority and which needs more time, so that you can kind of estimate a better plan how your project is going to move forward. So this is something that is very important, I feel, to actually plan your stuff. When you have a lot of bugs like this, it's very important that you plan, that you know how big it is and how much time it's going to take. And if it is too big and if it's not important, then you can just push it to later. So that is something that we're going to do now. So I do have a lot of bugs that I have noted down. So these are the bugs, testing bugs. So what am I going to do is I'm going to basically have give estimate. I'm going to go through each and every bug and just plan out how much time that each and everything is going to take. So let's see. So collab bugs. So over here, so this and this is fixed. These two are fixed. And this will be done. And then you have invite link. So this is also done. And so this is an issue where if the user is already invited, um, then the link should say user has been invited. So this is working on dev, but for some reason it's not working on production. So this, I don't think it's a big issue, but we will fix this. So I'm just going to chunk what and all is going to be done today. So you have this, then you have search not working, sort. Okay. So over here, I'm going to first, basically, which are the big tasks, is what I'm going to move forward. So search not working is a big task, and then so that is something I'm going to mark this as complete because these two are done. Search not working is a big task. Then this is small. Check collab user deletes the collab collection. Okay, this is also not that big. This is also not that. These two are just conditions that you need to add, but this requires a lot of work on the API. So I'm going to handle this first. So if I moved into this blindly, then I would have taken some other tasks. Uh, But instead, I've taken this first because this is a very heavy major issue. So if somebody's going to use search, the other stuff is just minor, but this is a major task. So this is the benefits of just noting down all issues that you have, and also this is the most time-taking issue. So if there's a sudden requirement for this fix, I can do this fast, but this takes time. So I'm going to prioritize this issue and get it done the earliest as possible. So if I didn't do this, and then suddenly there's a requirement where this needs to be fixed as soon as possible, then that's going to get a headache. It's going to become a headache. But because we have prioritized and just looked into all the issues that we have, now I know that this is something that needs to be handled first because this is the most time-taking task I feel. So I think this will take one entire day, like today fully. And then this, I'm going to give it 2 days. I'm going to, these are a small thing, but I can mostly finish all this in one day, but I'm going to like give some more headroom to work on, and I'm going to divide this into 2 days. So this entire section, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, should be done. No, should be done by tomorrow, should be done by Thursday. So note this down. Collab bugs Thursday. So of course, I can have there's a due date over here. So let's just go note down this over here. So due date, go to mark this as tomorrow, Thursday. Okay, so tomorrow this is due and should be done. So this one, it's going to be today. No, actually no, this one going to be today and then 2 more extra days. So it's going to be day after. So whenever you estimate, it's very important that you actually give a time where you actually think and finish it. You don't need to be too optimistic and give a date that is like very tight for you. Uh, because if you do that, then you're going to hurry and do stuff. And when you hurry when writing code, even when you write code, when you're like chilling, even then you make a lot of mistakes. But if you hurry and you write your code, you're definitely going to break a lot of stuff. So it's very important that you give good headroom. If but in good best case, I can finish all this by tomorrow. If this is done by tomorrow, then that's awesome. So always give good headroom. Do not be over optimistic. So even if you're under pressure that you need to finish, always still don't. It's always good not to fall for the pressure and just tell what you feel is right. So this I'm going to get it done on Friday. So that is for timeless bugs, and then uh, you have performance issues and then overall issues. Let me check what's so overall issues are not that important, I would say. Like it's not heavy functional breaking issues. So the heavy functional breaking issues are these guys. Are this is the heavy functional breaking issues, but the overall issues is something that most of things are very small. This is just remove uh, border, uh, Supabase, oh, login URL. So this is need to pay. So once I pay Supabase, then this will change. So most of the things over here are very small. But I think I am going to fix this before heading into this. So this is the other one is performance issues. So there are some APIs that are taking more than a second long, And for all this, it needs to be optimized. It shouldn't take 1 second. So that is also with 3D speeds. So that is something that I need to work on. So now I need to think which is more priority, this one or this one. So that is something that I should decide. But the problem with performance is that um, it's hard to estimate this. So, but on the other hand, performance is not like extremely bad that people cannot use the app. It is decent. No, it is like one step bad of decent, but it's not too bad. But the thing is, performance is sort of a R&D task, so you cannot exactly estimate. So this might even take like one whole week for itself. But this is easy to estimate. So this one, I can get it done, I think, in 2 days because most of them are super small. So this is fixed. This is redirect. This is just 2 minutes. Uh, Mood board order is something that I need to check. But again, these are like minor stuff that needs fixing. So this one and everything else is minor. So I would say 3 days for this. 3 days is more than enough to fix this. So uh, let's say it's a Friday and I work on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, or something. If I cannot work on the weekends, this would be 3 days, and then I'm going to give performance as one whole week because that is something that it's hard to estimate because there's a lot of trial and error that's to be done. So overall, to fix this, I would say it should take about next week end. So yep. So this is how I estimate things. So now you have a good perspective on what is to be done on priority, how long it's going to take, and uh, and you get a good idea on how your project is moving forward. So instead of deep diving stuff, just eyes closed. Okay, I have an issue. I'm going to work. I'm going to have an issue. It's very important that you note on all the issues, all the things that you're going to work on, and then give a good estimate on how you're going to take things forward. So yeah, I think that's it for this stream, guys. No coding, just a bunch of talking stuff in this stream. But yep, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.